Thank you for joining us today. We've got a PlayStation 5 here experiencing some trouble with its laser, specifically affecting the loading of the beloved Minecraft disc. You know how it goes. Chaos ensues when the kids can't enjoy their gaming time. Our mission today is to replace the faulty laser with a brand new one. If you take a look, you can see the disc struggling to load, evident in the unsettling sounds emanating from the disk drive. As always, it's crucial to check that the disc isn't dirty or incorrectly inserted. Sometimes, a simple issue like that can lead to an unrecognized disk error. Now, let's swiftly open up the console and access the disk drive. Here's the disk drive, and I'll delicately disconnect the cable and proceed to remove the drive's casing. The replacement laser we're using is the KES 497A. Keep in mind that Sony often updates their part models, so it's important to stay vigilant. With a small Phillips screwdriver, I'll carefully remove all the screws. If you encounter this issue, especially after a prolonged period of inactivity with the disk drive, consider purchasing a laser cleaner. These cleaners can be effective because dust may accumulate on the laser, contributing to the problem you're experiencing. Applying gentle pressure on the rubber, I release the metal casing. The green board you see is the disk drive's logic board, married to the motherboard and not interchangeable unless you transfer the chip. Caution is key here to avoid potential damage. Now, let's focus on the problematic laser. I'll quickly replace it with the new one, and for efficiency, you can opt to buy the full laser and deck assembly. Removing the ribbon cable without causing any damage is crucial. Using a flat screwdriver or tweezers, I lift the bar holding the laser in place and slide it under the cable to release the laser. Next, I'll fit and align the new laser securely, then proceed to reassemble. Pay attention not to lose or damage the controlling clip during this process. It manages the laser's movement with the disk drive motor. The metal cover prevents dust from reaching the motor, crucial for preventing seizures. Ensuring proper alignment is essential. The plastic pin should fit into the designated slot, or the disk drive won't accept disks. Before full reassembly, a quick test ensures the disk drive sounds healthy again. You can now clearly perceive the disc smoothly spinning up. eliminating the previous issue of abrupt starts and stops. With the disc now reading flawlessly, we'll put everything back together. In addition to the intricate process of laser replacement, it's worth emphasizing the importance of regular maintenance for optimal console performance. Ensuring proper ventilation can significantly contribute to the longevity of the gaming console. Moreover, staying informed about software updates and following manufacturer guidelines for usage and care can go a long way in preserving the overall health of the PlayStation 5. By incorporating these practices into your gaming routine, you can enjoy a seamless gaming experience and avoid potential disruptions due to hardware malfunctions. Remember, a well-maintained console is a reliable one, ensuring countless hours of uninterrupted gaming enjoyment. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, show your support by leaving a like or subscribing. If we've assisted you in any way, share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Your feedback is greatly appreciated.